flocks of people do you think there are still coming?
I don't know. There's still a whole pile of them funneling down.
That's a lot of people.
Woohoo! Woo! Yes, ma'am! Hooray! I love it. I love it. Women are always right. I love that sign. I love that sign the best. Woo! Very proud. It's a great thing. Great
I
thing.
like that one. Look at. Yes, honey, good to go.
Woo!